Hello everyone, today's video is so special because we're going to have a recap of what we've so far learned about. Tugenda kusoma era twejjukanye ebiki bye so far. But before, let's first pass through the objectives of this video. Number one, we're going to review what we've so far learned. We're going to have some common words, and at the end, we're going to have some small exercise. Don't fear, because the exercise you will sure pass it. Tugenda kwejjukanya biki twakasomako, tufunewo ka exercise katonotono, akabuzo katonotono, so that we can boost our mind up. So let's start. Name. Erinnya. Number one. Number two. Country. NC. Country is NC. Orange. Omuchungwa. Yeah, orange is omuchungwa. Number four. Boy. Omulenzi. Boy is omulenzi. Girl. Omuwala. So girl is omuwala. Okay. So please note, boy is omulenzi, girl is omuwala. So those are some of the common society names we so far learned. Ebyo bimu ku bigambo byetukozesa mu society oba mu butundu bwe tubeeramu. So those are some of the common society names, and that we learned, I think, in chapter 3 and chapter 4. Please refer to them. Okay, let's proceed. So we're going to proceed with some pronouns. Yes, we're going to proceed with pronouns. Remember, pronouns in Luganda is nakasigirwa. Yes, a tick for that. Nakasigirwa. So pronouns is nakasigirwa. So let's see. I. Inze. So I is inze. We. Ife. So we is Ife. Yes. Number 3. You. Igwe. You is Igwe. Number 4. Them. Bo. So them is bo. Yes, I think you're enjoying the video. So let's proceed. Yeah, a recap. Let's go through some words which are important before we proceed to the exercise. Katsoke tulabe ku bigambo byenkizo kati tunagenda mu kibuuzo kyaffe. Yes, ebigambo byenkizo bino bibiri. You, igwe, I, inze. Please note, you, igwe, I, inze. So let's proceed to the exercise. Okay. Exercise comprises of 4 numbers, but each number has 2 translations. We have that of English and that of Luganda, as we're going to see. So let's start with number 1. Please, you are required to fill in the correct word. Kikukakatako oba kikwetaagisa okujjuzaamu ekigambo ekituufu. Number 1. What dash your name? Number 1. What dash your name. And we have two answers. We have is stroke she. Is stroke she. So what is the correct answer? Obviously, the answer is, what is your name? And the answer is. Thank you. Let's continue. In Luganda, it's going to be erinnya lyo dash ani. Erinnya lyo dash ani. And we have two options. Gwe bo. Gwe bo. And what is the correct answer? Yes, gwe is the correct answer. So it's going to be erinnya lyo gwe ani. Erinnya lyo gwe ani. Question 2. I dash you. I dash you. And the options are boy, love. Boy, love. And what is the correct answer? Yes, love is the correct answer. It's going to be I love you. I love you. In Luganda, it's going to be inze dash gwe. Inze dash gwe. And the options are mulenzi nkwagala. Mulenzi nkwagala. And what is the correct answer? Yes, nkwagala, because love is nkwagala. So answer is going to be inze nkwagala gwe. Question 3. We are dash to dash. We are dash to dash. And the options are going, sleep, school. And what is the correct answer? Yes, we are going to school. We are going to school. In Luganda is fe tugenda ku dash. Fe tugenda kweryo dash. And the options are essomero nkwagala. Essomero nkwagala. And what is the correct answer? Answer entuufu ye ki? Yes, fe tugenda kweryo essomero. That is the correct answer. Question 4. You are dash. You are dash. And the options are beautiful name. Beautiful name. And what is the correct answer? Yes, beautiful is the correct answer. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. Let's proceed to the Luganda way. Dash oli mulungi. Dash oli mulungi. And the options are mulungi oli gwe. Mulungi oli gwe. And what is the correct answer? Gwe oli mulungi. Oli mulungi. So yes, hope you enjoyed the exercise. Ndowooza exercise ofunyeewo marks accordingly. Yes, hope you enjoyed the exercise. Ndowooza ekibuuzo ekinyumiddwa. Era genda mu maaso ng'opracticing. Go on as you're practicing. Thank you very much. And if you're new to this channel, please just subscribe so that we can learn together. Peace out. Mweraba.